Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about 6 ways to strengthen your knees, cartilage, and joints. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. The knee is the biggest joint in the human body that provides stable support to the whole body. The knees provide flexibility and stability in the legs, hence the ability to stand, walk, run, bend, jump and rotate. As a result, maintaining strong and healthy knees is particularly important for maintaining a high quality of human life. Be active and do daily activities such as walking. As a person gets older, their knees weaken, but people can have knee problems at any age. To learn more ways to strengthen your knees, watch the video until the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Weak knees can result from an injury or excessive pressure on the knees, a lack of nutrients, a sedentary lifestyle, excessive sodium intake, smoking, or drinking alcohol. Osteoarthritis can also cause weakness in the knees. However, some lifestyle and diet changes can benefit from strong knees and avoid problems with these key joints. Number 6. Use calcium. Calcium is an essential nutrient for bone health. Its deficiency can lead to thinning and weakening of the bones and osteoporosis. Since the body cannot produce calcium naturally, dietary complements and supplements are the best options for preventing calcium deficiency. Natural sources of calcium include dark leafy vegetables, milk, almond milk, cheese, almonds, sardines, and calcium-fortified cereals. If you plan to take supplements, choose selections that contain vitamin D, as this vitamin helps the body absorb calcium. Consult your doctor to find out the exact dosage. Number 5. Take vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the most essential nutrients for maintaining healthy bones and joints. The deficiency of this vitamin can lead to loss of bone mass and an increased risk of fractures. In addition, the body cannot get enough calcium without vitamin D. When the human body is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D, hence, you can stretch your knees every day for 15 minutes. Put in the morning sun for a minute to absorb vitamin D. You can also get it from food sources such as fish, egg yolks, fortified serums, and dairy products. It is also possible to take vitamin D supplements, but consult your doctor first. Number 4. Use fish oil. Fish oil contains substances that can help strengthen knee joints and improve bone density. Also, fish oil, due to its anti-inflammatory properties, can help relieve joint pain. Eat fatty fish such as tuna, lentils, and salmon twice a week. Also, you can consume 2.6 grams of fish oil twice a day. However, always consult your doctor before taking any supplement. Number 3. Take vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production, one of the main components of cartilage. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, bone matrix quality, and normal bone growth. In addition, this essential vitamin improves bone density and reduces the risk of bone fractures. Rich sources of vitamin C include broccoli, bell peppers, papaya, oranges, lemons, strawberries and other berries, kiwi, cauliflower, spinach, and Brussels sprouts. Vitamin C supplements are also available that you can take after consulting your doctor. Number 2. Healthy weight. The heavier your body weight, the more pressure you put on your joints, and the harder they have to work. If you are overweight, your knees will weaken due to the stress of being overweight. In addition, obesity increases the risk of knee or buttock replacement. If you are overweight or obese, talk to your doctor or nutritionist about achieving the right weight in a gradual and healthy process. This increases the stability and strength of the knees. Number 1. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Inflammation can weaken and make the knees hurt. To combat inflammation and swelling, Add foods that have anti-inflammatory properties to your diet. These foods include salmon, flaxseed, ginger, turmeric, olive oil, avocado, walnuts, blueberries, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Also, do not consume inflammatory foods such as products made from white flour, white rice, sweet foods, carbonated beverages, and ingredients high in saturated fats. Other helpful tips to strengthen the knee. Follow these tips to improve your knee pain. Before exercising, warm up your knees and raise your body temperature. You can put cycling and walk on your plan to strengthen your knees. Avoid sports that require abrupt stops, jumps, and turns. Avoid activities that cause pain in the knees. Consider doing yoga exercises that help strengthen bones. Acupuncture can help relieve knee pain caused by osteoarthritis. Avoid sitting and standing for long periods. Quit smoking and drinking alcohol. Do not wear high heels. Do not forget to drink fluids to soften cartilage and hydrate the body. Do not consume too much salt, which can lead to calcium loss. If you have chronic knee pain or severely injured your knee and are still in pain a few days later, you could be setting yourself up for permanent damage. You either require treatment, or you must strengthen your knee with physical therapy, bracing, or other medicine so that your joint can rehabilitate and be pain-free again. Your knees handle the brunt of taking your body from place to place. These joints are continuously in motion with almost every move you make, whether it's standing up, sitting down, walking, climbing stairs, or crouching to pick something up. Knee pain can make every movement a misery. So, take care of them. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.